Hello guys, this is my first official video on the YouTube platform and I would like to begin this journey by educating you about a much talked about controversial medication, and that is Accutane. I have arrived on a decision to create a series on this topic since I myself am on month 4 of Accutane journey. A quick disclaimer that all the information provided in this video is purely for educational and entertainment purposes, and so you should always talk to your healthcare provider about your personal unique health needs. Isotretinoin, known as a retinoic acid and is sold under the brand name Accutane, is primarily used to treat severe acne. It is used to treat severe cystic acne, which is also called as nodular acne. Now, this type of acne hasn't responded to other treatments such as benzoyl peroxide or clindamycin applied to the face, or tetracycline or minocycline taken by mouth. It belongs to a class of drugs known as retinoids, and its main mechanism works by decreasing oil or sebum production on your face. I would like to bring your attention towards my own personal story and how I began my Accutane journey. So I had been suffering from acne ever since I hit puberty, which was at about 14 years old, and now I am 21. So I have been struggling with acne for almost 7 years now. Throughout the course of this time, I visited innumerable dermatologists and they prescribed me some oral antibiotics and topical creams like benzoyl peroxide, but these things did not work well for me. On account of recommendations from my own relatives, I decided to consult a homeopath or naturopath, and these things worked well for me initially, but later on it caused a catastrophe. My skin went haywire and the pimples came back tenfold. So I decided to consult one last dermatologist before completely giving up my pursuit of healthy skin, and he put me on Accutane after listening to my past history. I am sure you all must be aware that Accutane is one of the strongest medication for acne available, and so you have to go through a series of chronological steps before you can finally have access to this drug. So I would like to give you a brief of these steps. The first one is a pregnancy test. You are strictly not to be pregnant when you are taking this medicine, because this medication can cause severe birth defects and your child could be deformed. And the second one is you have to undergo a blood level test before you are put onto this medicine. That is because the doctor needs to monitor your blood levels from the commencement of your medicine till the end of your month, so that he knows there are no drastic fluctuations in your blood levels and the medicine isn't impacting your other organs inside. So these are some of the steps that you are supposed to be following before you are put on Accutane. I began my journey with Accutane on 28th August 2022. And before I tell you about my own 1 month journey, I would like to give you a gist of the major side effects that are caused by the consumption of this medicine. They include depression, as well as dryness and flakiness, which is evident because it works by decreasing sebum production on your face. So depression, the first one I would like to talk about it. I did not face any depressive episode while I was on this medicine. On the contrary, I was really happy as I could see progress on my skin. And when it comes to dryness and flakiness, I still face that issue, and to combat that, you need to use Aquaphor for your lips, or any lip balm that moisturizes and hydrates your lips, and a good moisturizer for your skin. To escape the procedure of finding the right products for my skin, I asked my dermatologist to prescribe me a good sunscreen and a good moisturizer. And so if you also find the procedure of finding the right products cumbersome, you could also ask your dermatologist to prescribe you the right products according to your skin type. So I before beginning this journey, I scrutinized a lot of research papers, and I found out that you should not expect much from Accutane in month 1, because it's still working its way into your body. But I did see massive improvement in my skin in month 1 itself. So I was really optimistic about it, about the journey. And the intensity with which my breakouts arrived was gradually decreased. So no more waking up with 2 or more and sometimes more pimples on your face every day. But I did go through a state of purging initially, because the drug, it works by pushing the residual pimples onto the surface of your skin. So that is bound to happen, and I was ready for it. So this was my month 1 Accutane journey. If you have any further questions, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Take care.